Hello, welcome back to Video Wizard. Today I'm going to show you how to resize your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I have my video here, just a little intro to Video Wizard. And let's say I want to make it accessible on TikTok and make it the TikTok size. So what I'm going to do is head on over to Sequence Settings, and I have this pop-up menu here. Has loads and loads of information, but to change the size, all you want to worry about is this little bit here. So at the moment we have 1920 by 1080, that's regular YouTube. So for TikTok, all you want to do is swap these round. So you want to change horizontal to 1080, and then change your vertical to 1920. And then just OK. And then there you go, you've got TikTok size now. You might want to rescale it or anything like that, but that's how you do it. That's how you get a TikTok size. Let's say I've had a complete mare. I want to go back to YouTube. Same thing. Sequence settings. Flip these around again, because regular YouTube is 1920 horizontal by 1080. Then you see your ratio as well changes. You can put whatever you want in here. The ratio will change, and of course your frame size will be different, but that is exactly how you change your frame size. So let's just go back to YouTube. Alright, there you go. Very, very quick way on how to do it. Thank you very much for watching. Hope this helps, and have a good rest of your day. Cheers, bye.